Hello students, today I am going to teach you moral science subject एंड चैप्टर नंबर 12 है पंक्चुअलिटी। आज मैं से सिर्फ रीडिंग सिखाऊंगी आपको। रीडिंग एक रोज एक वीडियो रीडिंग की भी देती हूँ, बिकॉज क्या है तुम्हारे को रीडिंग नहीं आती है। पेरेंट्स की भी यही कंप्लेन है कि इनको पढ़ना नहीं आता विद स्पेलिंग। आई एम गिविंग यू लेसन 12 है जो फॉर रीडिंग के तौर पर देती हूँ। इसका हेडिंग है PUNC पंक TU पंक्चुअलिटी पंक्चुअलिटी ALITYT पंक्चुअलिटी। लेसन नंबर 12 है पंक्चुअलिटी। PUNC TU ALITY पंक्चुअलिटी is a habit 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 that we should 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 CUL कल TIT कल्टी VATE cultivate in our CHILD child HOOD hood childhood। Punctuality is a habit that we should cultivate in our childhood। We have to be punctual 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 for school। We have to be in time 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 for our meals MEALS meals। In fact FACT in fact for most of our life we have to keep keep pace with the filling time and catch it by the for lock FRE for LOCK lock। SOME some TIMES sometimes we tend to be lazy 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 and put off our work WORK work, and for that of course OFCOURAC of course we are mad MADE mad to feel sorry sooner 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 or LATER later। We should try as far as possible 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 never 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 to put off till tomorrow TOMORROW tomorrow। What 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 we can do today। We should try as far as possible never to put off till tomorrow what we can do today। If we form the habit 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 of being being punctual 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 in our DAILY, daily life, LIFE, life. We will greatly, 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 BENEFIT, benefit, from it, FROM, from it, as we GROW, grow older. We should try as far as possible never to put off till tomorrow what we can do today. If we form the habit of being punctual in our daily life, we will greatly benefit from it as we grow older. Everyone, EVERY, every, ONE, everyone likes, and RESPECTS, respects a punctual person. Everyone likes and respect a punctual person, PERSON, person. If we are not punctual, we not only harm ourselves but end up UPF SETTING, upsetting SOME, some BODYD, somebody else plans too. We should be in time for school. If we are late, late at the bus stop, 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 we miss the bus, MISS, miss the bus. We should be in time for school. If we are late at the bus stop, we miss the bus. Our parents, PARENTS, our parents have to change, CHNG, change, THEIR, their busy, BUSY, busy morning, MORNING, morning routine to take. So we miss the bus. Our parents have to change their busy morning routine, ROUTINE, routine to take us to school. Our mother may, MAY may, HB have to miss her breakfast, BREAKFAST, fast, breakfast, or she may get late for her office, OFFIC, office. If we go late for a party, PARTYT, party, not only we but even the host, 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 FWLS, feels awkward. Us to school, our mother may have to miss her breakfast or she may get late for her office. If we go late, late for a party, not only we but even the host feels awkward. Sometimes SOME, sometimes SOME, TIMES, sometimes not BEING, being punctual can CAUSE, cause SERIOUS, serious problems, PROBLEMS, problems. Sometimes not being punctual can cause serious problems, as an already discovered, 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 THROUGH, through no fault of hers, FAULT, fault of hers. Sometimes not being punctual can cause serious problems, as an old lady discovered through no fault of hers, EVEN, even, THOUGH, even though she made it a point, POINT, point to be punctual herself. Somebody else unpunctuality, UNPUNCTUALITYT, unpunctuality, CAUSED, caused her a lot of trouble, TROUBLE, trouble. Even though she made it a point to be punctual herself. Somebody else's punctuality caused her a lot of trouble. Mohan, MOHN, Mohan, was a 15 years old boy who lived, LIVED, lived in Delhi, DELHI, Delhi. Mohan was a 15-year-old boy who lived in Delhi. His GRAND grandmother, who lived in UP, was coming, COMING, coming to SPEND, spend a few FEW, few DYS days with them. His grandmother, who lived in UP, was coming to spend a few days with them. The old lady had anywhere never been to Delhi before. The old lady had never been to Delhi before. HAVING, having heard, HEARD, heard so much, 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 ABOUT, about, the big, CAPITAL, capital, She was looking, L-O-O-K, look, I-N-G, looking, F-O-R-W-A-R-D, forward to her visit. The day she was expected, E-X-P-E-C-T-E-D, expected to arrive, A-R-R-I-V-E, arrive. The day she was expected to arrive, Mohan's father, F-A-T-H-E-R, father, Mohan's father had to go out of T-O-W-N, town, on B-U-S-I-N-E-S-S, business. The day she was expected to arrive, Mohan's father had to go out of town on business. His mother, who was teaching, T-E-A-C-H-I-N-G, teaching in a school, could not, C-O-U-L-D, could not get, L-E-A-V-E, leave. His mother, who was teaching in a school, could not get leave. T-H-R, there was only, O-N-L-I, क्या है, O-N-L-Y, only, there was only, Mohan, L-E-F-T, left, to receive, R-E-C-E-I-V-E, receive grandmother at the station. The day she was expected to arrive, Mohan's father had to go out of town on business. His mother, who was teaching in a school, could not get leave. T-H-E-R-E, there was only, Mohan, L-E-F-T, left, to receive, R-E-C-E-I-V-E, receive grandmother at the station, S-T-A-T-I-O-N, station. Mohan's mother, W-A-R-N-E-D, warned him, A-G-I-N, again and again, to be on time. Mohan's mother warned, W-A-R-N-E-D, warned him again and again to be on time, for if there, teacher, there was no one to receive grandmother, she would find it D-I-F-F-I-C-U-L-T difficult to come to their home. She was a complete, C-O-M-P-L-E-T, complete, S-T-R-A-N-G-E-R, stranger to Delhi.